Meaning of fusilli.
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 Fusilli. Fusilli is a type of pasta that originated in southern Italy. The name fusilli comes from the Italian word fuso, which means spindle or spindle-shaped. Fusilli pasta is typically made from durum wheat semolina and is twisted into a spiral or corkscrew shape, which pairs well with tomato or cream-based sauces. This versatile pasta can also be used in cold salads or baked dishes, making it a popular choice for many Italian and Mediterranean dishes. Fusilli is a delicious and satisfying ingredient that adds texture and flavor to any meal.